how do you turn your ideas into assets? Then how do you boost value of those assets on a global marketplace? Those were among the questions on the agenda at the Business of IP Asia Forum in Hong Kong. Reflecting the growing importance of IP among Chinese enterprises, the event drew many delegates from China's mainland. Among them, a deputy director in charge of brands and designs at the United Nations agency, which supports the IP industry. Wang Binying said these gatherings boost IP business across the region and around the world.
It will serve as a platform for all of us to think, to share, to exchange views and experiences in dealing with the IP in the context of a business, and to act for the common good in the future in order to make the intellectual property system better at all levels.
Business leaders were also on hand to share their personal experience about how IP is becoming central to corporate strategies, a trend reflected by the way research and development institutions are increasingly making IP awareness part of the curriculum.
We're seeing a great rise in the number of universities that, in addition to their classical offices of technology transfer, are building entrepreneurship centers, innovation centers, whatever you want to call them, beyond just doing sort of the bare nuts and bolts of technology transfer. I think Hong Kong, given its history as a trading market in so many different areas, I think that may lend itself very well to intellectual property as well.
As event co-organizer, the Hong Kong government is committed to developing Hong Kong as an international IP trading hub.
Hong Kong has a terrific history as being a really international city, very open city, and it is a city which has a set of laws that basically historically have been very, very rigorously enforced. And so there is a level of trust in the system in Hong Kong which is a very good starting point. The trick going forward is, as that applies to intellectual property, the enforcement of intellectual property rights, if the extension is made from the core rule of law you have today to cover that area, and preferentially being able to then extend that also, of course, into the mainland, I think that would be an incredible win.
On the eve of the forum, Hong Kong signed a strategic deal with more than 20 partners from across Asia, as well as Europe and North America. And the Hong Kong Trade Development Council relaunched the Asia IP Exchange, an online site offering information on more than 20,000 tradable IP assets, ranging from patents to copyrights.
Sponsoring BIP Asia, we find it as a good way to come in touch with a lot of different technologies and entrepreneurs that come. We also get to mingle with other IP professionals. It's a small community and we're trying to grow it, and this is one great way to do that.
The growing role of IP is also reflected in the growth of the forum, which after 3 years tripled in size to welcome some 1,700 people from 24 countries and regions. Business matching and breakout sessions have also been expanded to serve those looking for ways IP can enhance a wide range of businesses, from fashion and traditional Chinese medicine to digital animation.
More and more countries are looking at using IP as their development tools. So therefore, you need to strategize it. You're no longer using it as a technology protection. For post-production, for animation, many companies now are doing it in Thailand. You see, so skill-wise and technical-wise, we have it, but we just couldn't get out to the market. You see, this is where Hong Kong can come in.